Rambaba sir is very much excited to know more about speaking English, spoken language, spoken English. So language is other languages also is a language, but I can see the enthusiasm in sir's promo video also I have seen. But I'll tell my entry into this platform. Actually, one of my friends has just pinged me or just added me one government group where I have seen our Rambaba Share Every's logo or a link. So I just clicked on it and then joined this. I was very much fascinated with that logo, Share Every. Share and E. It's fancy. So I was very much impressed. And I just started speaking to them, and there were hardly 11 or 12 members in that group. And Suresh Gaud sir, and I know, oh my God, for 2 to 3 sessions without turning on my video, I was so afraid. Professionals are there. I should learn from them. I should get from them. I should extract some new things from them. I was so excited. And then slowly, I was literally not free like this now. I had my inhibition, how to talk, what to talk. Though I was not comfortable then. But one fine day, Suresh sir, Rambabu sir, Ramkrishna sir, we had a small talk. There, one line which they gave me really changed. I can say I have a little bit changed myself. I can see the transformation in myself after joining this group. Proudly, I can say that. What that sentence or phrase was is, no one is going to judge you, madam, here. That gave me the confidence. That nudged me from beside. I felt one side, Suresh sir nudging from left side. I felt Rambabu sir's nudging, come on, and someone from back pushing me, come on, go ahead. No one is there to judge you. Be like yourself. Make mistakes. No one is there to rectify you. And once when I asked the question, I want someone to rectify myself, then Rambabu sir said, no one is going to rectify. You be here, you will be there to self-rectify yourself. You will come to know what's the mistake you have done by yourself. That was again lifted me up. I can say this, I can write this, I can really post it. So that was the confidence given to me. And do you know one thing? And I left other groups and I'm just sticking to this group. So this is my journey here. And I learned how to conduct sessions. I think I have done 9th session, sir, and 11th session. First session without turning my video, I just did. Now if I think it's like funny, I get laugh. It's something ridiculous, what I did session without turning on my video. And the second session, again, sir, I just denied. Then sir said, no, madam, let it be. Only we are there. We are going to take. Only hardly 10 to 11 members were there in that. That's it. So that boosted my confidence. That gave me the confidence. Okay, let me make mistake. That is what I felt. Let us make mistake. No one is going to judge us. This is a new language, foreign language. This is not our mother tongue. We'll fall and get up and we are the toddlers here actually. We'll learn, we'll grow. And we'll shake. We'll crawl. Yes, as a babies. We are all babies here. So we'll learn from each and everyone. So by this, I would like to stop my talk. So this is my journey here. And I'm learning. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So now, dearly, let anyone talk behind me. I'm least bothered. Let me come out and tell my views. Let me come out and tell it's you people are going to listen to me. It's your headache. I'm learning it. That thing was to me with this professional. That is what. Thank you, sir. Thanks each and every person here. And day by day, we are getting new. I'm enthused. Come on, see Gautam Pal sir. He's a slow atom bomb. Gautam Pal sir. I can keep name him as an atom bomb. He'll be very quiet. Immediately he'll explode. The words he used at times, I note it down. I jot it down. So Gautam Pal sir, even I learn many things from you, and your attitude is awesome.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It is all your reports.
Thank you.
That whatever I get.
This is my journey here. This is how I'm learning, still learning. So not only learning, other parameters like confidence, coming forward, being here, learning something new, getting new experience. So this is my experience. So to Gautam Pal sir, thank you
Thank
for
you,
bearing.
ma'am.